For over 68 years, our experience drives the knowledge to answer the toughest questions in commercial construction. This is Ask Jordy.
So Jordy Construction has been in business almost 70 years. So over the past 7 decades, we've really grown relationships with architects, engineers, and subcontractors. It's great to get a call from a subcontractor asking why Jordy's not on a job. So they're great leads for us, as well as repeat business. We have some customers we've been working with for almost 40 years. We have customers like Chase Bank, Verizon Wireless that ask us to do projects with them all over the country. So maintaining those great relationships and growing that business is great.